Imagine a world where your attention isn't constantly fragmented, where your inner wisdom shines brighter than any screen. Join me on an alchemical journey, guided by ancient celestial crystals, as we ditch the digital noise and reconnect with the universal energies that truly matter. This is an invitation to reclaim your focus, to elevate your spirit, and to rediscover the profound depths of your own being. In our modern world, a symphony of notifications constantly vies for our attention. Each ping and buzz pulls us away from the present moment, scattering our focus across countless digital landscapes. We find ourselves caught in the hypnotic trance of endless scrolling, consuming information without true absorption. This constant hum of digital distraction creates a pervasive background noise in our lives. It subtly erodes our capacity for deep thought and sustained concentration. Our minds become accustomed to rapid shifts, losing the ability to settle into profound stillness. The relentless digital saturation leaves us feeling overwhelmed and disconnected from our authentic selves. We yearn for a quiet space, a sanctuary where our minds can truly rest and rejuvenate. There is a profound need for an antidote, a powerful remedy to this pervasive digital overload. This antidote manifests as the digital detox, a powerful and intentional journey. It is a conscious decision to step away from the incessant demands of the digital realm. This journey allows us to escape the digital noise that has become so deeply ingrained in our daily existence. Through this deliberate disconnection, we begin cultivating a deeper connection to our inner wisdom. We create space for our intuition to speak, unburdened by external chatter. This process also fosters a profound connection to universal energies, aligning us with the greater cosmic flow. A digital detox is more than just turning off devices. It is an act of self-reclamation. It is an opportunity to rediscover the quiet power residing within you. It invites you to listen to the whispers of your soul, guiding you toward greater clarity and peace. Our unique approach intertwines the practical steps of a digital detox with ancient wisdom. We delve into the profound power of celestial crystal alchemy. This sacred practice uses the Earth's crystalline gifts to amplify our intentions and guide our transformation. Our aim is to rediscover what we call galactic focus. This is not merely about improving concentration. It's about expanding our awareness. Galactic focus is defined as a deep, unwavering concentration that transcends the mundane. It is a state where your mind is clear, your spirit is aligned, and your attention is boundless. This profound focus includes a conscious connection to the universe itself. It allows you to tap into the vast intelligence that permeates all existence. Through celestial crystal alchemy, we learn to harness these ancient energies. We use them to anchor our intentions and elevate our consciousness. This journey promises not just a break from screens, but a profound spiritual awakening. This transformative journey begins with a conscious decision to disconnect. It requires a firm commitment to step away from the digital currents that pull us in so many directions. This initial choice is the most powerful step you can take. Next, we establish clear boundaries with technology, defining when and how we engage with it. This might involve designated screen-free hours or specific zones in your home. These boundaries protect your sacred space and time. Finally, we create dedicated space for introspection, a sanctuary for self-discovery. This can be a quiet corner, a meditation cushion, or simply a moment carved out in your day. This space becomes fertile ground for inner exploration. Within this intentional space, you invite stillness and allow your inner landscape to unfold. This period of disconnection is not about deprivation, but about liberation. It is an invitation to return home to yourself. Here, crystals enter the equation, not as mere adornments, but as powerful tools for transformation. Each crystal possesses a unique energetic signature, a vibrational frequency that resonates with specific aspects of our being. They are ancient earth wisdom made manifest. These crystals serve as potent allies for focus and self-discovery. They act as energetic anchors, helping to ground and center your awareness. Their subtle energies support your journey inward, amplifying your intentions. The key lies in selecting crystals aligned with your specific intentions for the detox. For clarity and mental purification, Clear Quartz is an unparalleled choice. For deepening intuition and emotional balance, Moonstone offers its gentle lunar embrace. Labradorite, with its iridescent flash, provides powerful, energetic protection, shielding you from external distractions. Choose the crystals that call to you, for their energy will resonate most deeply with your spirit. Now, we begin incorporating these sacred crystals into our daily practices. This integration elevates routine activities into profound spiritual rituals. Each interaction becomes an opportunity for deeper connection. Enhance your meditation sessions by holding a crystal or placing it nearby. Feel its subtle energy infuse your practice, deepening your focus and expanding your awareness. The crystal acts as a conduit for universal energy. Deepen your journaling sessions for self-reflection by placing a crystal on your notebook. Allow its energy to facilitate a more profound connection to your inner thoughts and feelings. It encourages honesty and insight. Through crystal-guided reflection, you can unearth hidden thoughts and feelings, bringing them to conscious awareness. The crystal acts as a gentle guide, illuminating the pathways of your subconscious mind. This process fosters profound self-understanding. Crystals act as powerful anchors, grounding the individual in the present moment. They help to stabilize your energy field, preventing your mind from wandering. This grounding is essential for sustained focus. They facilitate a deeper connection to subtle universal energies, opening you to cosmic wisdom. As you work with them, you become more attuned to the unseen forces that shape our reality. This attunement enhances your spiritual growth. The benefits of this journey extend far beyond a mere reduction of screen time. You will experience a profound shift in your inner landscape. This process cultivates a heightened awareness of the present moment. Your mind, freed from the constant barrage of information overload, becomes calmer and more focused. The mental chatter subsides, replaced by a serene clarity. This newfound tranquility is a precious gift. Creativity begins to flourish, filling the space previously occupied by digital distractions. New ideas emerge, unhindered by external noise. Your imagination reawakens, vibrant and expansive. You will discover a renewed sense of purpose and inner peace. This journey is not just about what you give up, but about what you gain. It is a return to your most authentic and empowered self. Through this alchemical process, you tap into your innate inner wisdom, a wellspring of profound knowledge. This wisdom has always resided within you, waiting for the digital noise to subside. You gain clarity on your true purpose and life direction. This journey is more than just disconnecting from technology. It is a sacred act of reconnection. You reconnect with yourself, with the essence of who you truly are. You rediscover your authentic voice and your deepest desires. You also reconnect with the vast, interconnected web of universal energy that binds all things. You feel a profound sense of belonging and unity. This connection nourishes your spirit and expands your consciousness. You begin cultivating a galactic-focused state of being, where your attention is boundless and your spirit is free. Your inner wisdom shines brighter than any screen, illuminating your path forward. This radiant light guides your every step. Your connection to the universe becomes a constant source of guidance and inspiration. You feel supported, loved, and deeply aligned with the cosmic flow. This profound connection empowers you to live a life of purpose and joy.